So now we're going to go for a mushroom soup. Okay. So first of all, I've got some filled mushrooms here, which I'm just going to slice down. I'm going to put these through the oven. I just want to roast them off. So I've got the oven turned up. It's turned on. It's hot. It's ready to. It's ready to go. Cut in half that way. Chop them down. Chop them down. Chop them down. Chop them down. So this is going to be another vegan soup. I'm not going to use any cream and dairy in it, but I need to use a little bit of flour. So this one's not going to be gluten free. Right, as mushrooms are chopped, I'll get them in the oven and smoke it up. Jesus. Okay. So put them on the tray. The tray's really hot. A little bit of oil. I'm also going to put a little bit of thyme on the mushrooms. Just pick it off. If you just run your fingers down thyme, you can the little florets or the little pieces of thyme, the little leaves will come off quite easily. You can really smell the thyme on the mushrooms, which is really good. So that's in there. Let's get that mixed up. I'm going to put a tiny bit of salt in there. Sea salt. I'm going to put them in the oven. They're going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. Just get that, make sure the oven is going. Okay, so the oven's on. Get the pan on. We want to get the pan hot, ready for the onions. So I've got one Spanish onion again. I'm going to cut it down. So we're going to cut it into rough chop. So we're cutting down this way, we're going through the middle of the onion that way, and then just chopping down. Right, I'm just going to get the oil in the pan, so that's going to be nice and hot for when the onion is ready to go in. Okay, so we're going down, 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 down. Hold the onion together, slice through the middle, and then chop down across the onion, and then you can use the end bits as well. To see if the pan's hot. It's hot, it's sizzling. Okay, got the onions in there. There we go. A little bit of a stir, because we don't want to burn the onions. Right. Okay, now I'm also using, so in the oven I sliced down some field mushrooms, which I want to use. I want to roast them off. I've also got some chestnut mushrooms. So these chestnut mushrooms I'm just going to cut down in kind of size, and they're going to go straight into the pan. Just sort of nice. Always keep an eye on the onions, because we don't like to burn them. So let's just cut this down. There's the chestnut mushrooms. Get them all sliced. Just there, don't go. So I was planning on using a little bit of flour in this soup. However, there is absolutely no flour in the supermarkets at the moment, due to, you know, everybody seems to be buying toilet rolls, and they seem to be buying flour at the moment. It's completely nothing at all, which is a bit bizarre. So to thicken it instead, I've got a little bit of this McDougall instant thickening granules. Okay, got about half the mushrooms done, so I'm going to drop half in now. Get those in there. There we go. And now I'm just going to cut these up. So the mushrooms are full of water. There's a lot of water in mushrooms. So when you're cooking them, they will cook down. Cook down a lot. Okay. Nearly there. 2 more. And 1 more. Okay. Cool. Get that. Get rid of that. 2 bowls. Right, mushrooms. Look at this. Let's get some seasoning in there. Some salt. Got some fresh ground sea salt in there. So that's going to take probably about 10 minutes to cook. I've also got the mushrooms in the oven. Roast them off as well. Okay. So, garlic. We've got the onions in there. They're hot, they're sweating off. Got the mushrooms in there. Mushrooms in the oven. I've also got some garlic. Just going to slice the garlic down. To get this into the mushrooms. There. Okay, so if you have a look, it's about half full there. But once it's cooked down, it will go. It'll be really, not so much all water's evaporated. So I'm also going to add some thyme. So we just get the thyme, slide down like that. Come on, thyme. There we go. Really smell the thyme. It's got that really. Just a little bit more. Okay, up there. Cool. Right, there's the thyme. We'll drop all that in there. So as you can see, it's started to drop down already. Right. So this is a vegan soup. So normally you probably finish it off with a little bit of cream, but I've got some coconut milk I'm going to put through there. So I've got a whole tin. So I'll probably use maybe a third of that tin. Just get it open. That's just to finish the soup off. So that's cooking. They're cooking down. Nice. Let's just have a quick look at the mushrooms in here. They're going to be quite a bit longer because it's turn the temperature up. Okay. Work that up. 5 minutes. Just about another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to add about 500 millilitres of water. Okay, got the water ready to go. Got the, lost the lid. That's dived in there somewhere. Oh well. I'm sure I'll fish it out later on. Let's just give it a bit of a mix up with the coconut milk. Okay, that's ready to go in. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a few croutons. I've got a little bit of focaccia I've got left over from earlier. So if we just going to take some of that out of the packet. Really nice focaccia, freshly made in the supermarket. So, what time are we on? 10 minutes, that's 10 minutes. Okay, so these can go there. A little bit of olive oil. It's quite a rustic crouton. And then I'll put these through the oven. Okay. So I'm going to leave this cooking for about another 10 minutes, and then we will carry on with the process of finishing the steak. Now I've left the mushrooms cooking for about 10 minutes or so. Got the mushrooms on the stove, and as you can see, it's evaporated quite a lot. There's not a lot of water in there. The mushrooms are cooked. I've got the mushrooms in the oven, which I'm going to take out now. I'm going to drop them into the mushrooms here. Okay. The croutons I had, I've also had them in the oven for about 10 minutes. They're going to be nice and crispy. So, mushrooms that have been in the oven. Got them here, I've got a lot of juice in there as well. Oh, gotta be quick, because the tray is very, very hot. And it's burning my fingers. Okay, let's give it that. Okay, great. So we've got 300 grams of chestnut mushrooms in there that are cooked down. I've got about 300 grams of the field mushrooms that I've cooked through the oven. We're just mixing those up. So now, I would usually add maybe a little bit of flour so we can thicken it slightly. We've got some of this thickening agent, as there's no flour in the supermarkets due to the apocalypse at the moment. Okay, so we'll do a little bit of that. Not too sure. Okay, let's try that to start with. Lovely. And as you add that in there, just cook that out, and then it'll start to come together a little bit. Got a little bit of vegetable Knorr stock. I'm just going to put some of that in there. Probably that's about 3/4 of half. Got a little bit left over. Okay, so if you have a look now, got the mushrooms all cooked down. Everything's cooked down. If you remember how much was there to start with, now it's down to this much. Heat that up again. I've got 500 millilitres of water here. You could also add a little bit of white wine at the moment if you wanted to, but I'm not going to add any alcohol at the moment. Go in with the water, and because the mushrooms are already cooked, so everything's cooked in there, so it's not going to need boiling for 10 to 15 minutes as with some of the other soups. So there we go. Got the water in there. It's just about covering. Oh dear. Okay, keep an eye on that one. Okay, so I'm just going to boil it up, and it's gone everywhere. It's all on the floor. Oh man. Okay. Well, so boil that up again, and now I've got the coconut milk that I'm going to use. I've used coconut milk because I want to keep the soup a vegan soup. So use coconut milk instead of cream, get that in there. So how much is that? Just a little bit more. So that was about 300 millilitres of water, and about, how much is one of these is 400 mil, so that's about 100. That's about 100 millilitres of coconut milk. Okay. So now, just going to let that boil up. Okay, so the soup's been boiling away on there for about 5 minutes now. Give it a quick taste, see how we're going. Tell you what, the coconut milk and the mushrooms is good. But anyway, okay. So we're going to blend the soup. Remember, we need to be careful because it might splash everywhere and the soup is really hot. So just turn it down, turn it off. Turn it up a little bit. to splash it too much. So as you can see, the soup is very, very thick. So I'm going to need to add some more water. Let's just keep that going, but just add a bit more water. A little bit more salt, and that is a little bit more water, tiny bit. A little bit more coconut milk as well. Okay, that'll do. Lovely. So that's pureed the soup down. Just put it to the side. Get that over there. Okay, so one more taste, another taste. That is really nice. With the coconut milk, it gives it a very different taste. So just gonna serve it now. So we've got the bowl. It's a chip one. Not really, it's a chip one. Let's use all my little chips. Okay, let's just get that in there. Just using the spoon as not to splash it too much. And there we go. Let's just put that to the side. And then I've got my croutons that I cooked the focaccia with a little bit of olive oil. I put them through the oven for about 5 minutes. And I'll just drop them on the top. There we go. And I'm going to try a little bit more garnish. Actually, do you know what? Let's do a little bit of coconut milk over the top. To try and give it a little bit of a fancy finish. So there we go. That's mushroom and thyme soup with some focaccia croutons, and it's vegan. However, it has got gluten in it. Ta-da! So now I'm going to eat it. Thank you very much, and I hope you try this recipe.